Hi, my name is Benedicta Karimi, Ola Energy Kenya Limited funds, that is both the DB and the DC funds, as we have a combination of the same. This is my first Finnet workshop, the Mombasa 2023 August at English Point Marina. It's been a great, insightful, and also quite engaging and enjoyable learning experience, having met new trustees who have not met before and interacting as well. I have been able to broaden my knowledge around investments, particularly the alternatives that are currently in the market, given the current conditions, inflation, the declining shilling, and just the pros and cons and the risks that arise with the same. And of course, having come from a legal background as well, I have also broadened my knowledge around effective decision making during board committee meetings. I would definitely recommend this training and this workshop to my fellow trustees, and I will be happy to be sharing my learnings as I resume. Thank you, Finnet.